morning, YouTube friends and family. You know what? It's Monday. That means a whole wide work week ahead of me where I get to do lots of work. Work's a four-letter word, you know. No, I'm just joking. Hey, I'm headed off to meet with a couple of young Amish men who will be doing some demolition work at the renovation and addition project I have here in town. So I'm really excited to meet them and give them their marching orders and answer any of their questions. And then I'm off to town to meet with Troy and Pete to go over these drawings for that same project. So maybe even look at another small job that should keep me going between now and then. Anyway, thanks for coming with me on my day. Monday. Well, I would have done a lot more video while I was there, but I was kind of very self-conscious, you know, being around the Amish folks. I didn't want to like go running around flaunting all this crazy technology and stuff. Wicked cool guys though. I think the oldest one is probably maybe 21, and then it looked like there was an 18-year-old guy and maybe a 16-year-old kid, and they were just tearing and shredding and doing the demo. I talked to them and they said they prefer to be involved with new construction, but work is work. And super nice, very polite people. I'm really excited to get a chance to work alongside them, even if it was for a couple hours, and maybe there'll be another opportunity in the future. All right, well, I met with Troy on site too. We went over the plans, so you know, got a good sense of what's going on now. Just landed at home and I did the head count on the ducks, and there was only 4. We're missing a white layer someplace. I don't know what's going on, man. You know, usually, like I said, when something happens, the ducks get freaked out and shell-shocked, but they're all acting normal. All right, I'm gonna do a search again. The duck that's missing had a limp, and she was getting around kind of slowly, so that might be part of the issue. And you know what? Ducks they're kind of mean creatures. Whenever there's another duck that's weak, you think that, you know, they would maybe help nurture it, but no. They shun it and they push it away and they'll like nip it, and so maybe they pushed her. I don't know. Same deal as last time. No evidence around the house at all of an altercation between a duck and like a 4-legged creature. All I can think is it must have been a hawk. They just swoop down through here and pick them up, and we've seen a Cooper's hawk try to attack one of the birds during the wintertime, and I actually ran out and scared the hawk off. So it's got to be likely that, you know, this hawk just keeps coming back for more ducks, and I don't know. Oh man, a great birthday present for the kids, huh? Came in and told me, she said, hey, how many white ducks are we supposed to... She's back. She appeared out of nowhere. I swear I checked this area so thoroughly. She does have that gimpy leg though. Well, anyway, That's just great news. I was really dreading having to break the news to Emmett and Zephyr, and I don't know where she was hiding. I swear. I mean, I looked for an hour straight all around. Good, well, maybe they hide better than I think they can hide. Progressing pretty smoothly with this new project. I just set up a meeting with an excavation contractor in a couple days, hoping to get that sorted. That's really the first step, is doing all the groundwork and digging the hole for the foundation, getting the foundation underway. There's a lot of work that we can do in the existing building while we're waiting for the foundation to be ready. There's a lot of logistics, you have to sort of get things in line so you're not standing around waiting for something to happen. Which will happen anyway, but you just try to avoid it at every step as a matter of course. I'm just doing some invoicing here. Poor Andrea, I came home, she was expecting me to be gone all day. It's hard when you're a writer or you're a creative person and you try to create a creative space for yourself, and then people invade in your space and it's difficult to maintain those creative flow. So she took off. She's off, I think, to the library. Duck there looks like a sitting duck. Now I'm just paranoid. You live with these ducks for a lot of years and you get kind of protective. I guess in some ways I resemble a drake. All right, I'm off again. This time I'm headed in the opposite direction to the fine city of Gardner, to a return customer's home that I have been sorely neglecting. And I say sorely because they're like some of the nicest people in the world, and I have not gotten back to do some small projects that they're interested in. Anyway, we're on the road again. This dude is metal detecting up the side of the road. Makes sense, I guess. Home a bit early here. Actually, I said 3 to 3:30, and it's 5 past 3, so I'm on the early side. There's a little wiggle on this floor. It's part of what I'm looking at here, and is this broken threshold that I want to fix up, and then I need to take a look in the crawl space out back. I just want to make sure that there's nothing compromised underneath that garage floor, because this is a wood floor and wood framing. I think I'm going to need to unscrew that panel. live there that I'm going to be working for are exceedingly nice. I mean, just super genuinely nice people that are, it's just so much fun to talk to and be around. I'm really excited. I'm going to be back there tomorrow installing some plastic over the floor of that nasty crawl space and inspecting the flooring in the bathroom and working on that threshold in the garage. So I expect there's going to be a full day of work there tomorrow, maybe even a day and a half or 2 days, we'll see. Okay, here I go. This is one of my classic first moves.